Hi there, in today's video I'm coloring clear slime with markers. It's one of my favorite ways to color slime. Real quick, if you haven't been here before, my name is Jessica and this is Slime Bliss. Click subscribe and ring the bell to catch all the new videos. So for this clear slime, I decided to do zigzag lines with blue and yellow Sharpie markers. I was thinking it would make an interesting pattern in the slime. Once I mixed it together a bit, it made a really nice marble effect. With mixing it further, as you would expect, it turned green, but I thought it was a really pretty green color. As you can see, it is still translucent and it drizzled quite well. One of my favorite things to do with slime is to press it and see what kind of pops I can get from it. This slime was gooey enough that it looked like it was going to pop well, and it didn't disappoint. Sometimes I think it looks really neat to let the slime flow over the edge of the bowl. And in this case, it really looks like a waterfall. In this slime, I used the same kind of markers with the brush tip, but I used red and yellow coloring this time. The red turned out a little more pink than I was expecting, but when I rolled it together, it really looked amazing when it was suspended in the clear slime. I just love the way it looks when the slime settles down. I didn't really want to mix the colors together just yet. I wanted to see if I could get the yellow and red to mix further on each side. But then I thought it would be interesting to roll it into a ball and watch the colors meld together. I thought it looked nice when I pressed my fingers into it. It took me longer than expected to mix these colors in, so I started twisting them together. And the further I mixed it together, the more it became almost like a honey color, slightly amber, but still very beautiful. It really did look a lot like honey. It was very translucent, almost clear. And when I stretched it out, you could really see how clear it still was. Like the previous slime, I wanted to press this to see what kind of pops I could get out of it, but it wasn't quite as sticky as the green slime, so it didn't pull up very well, and it just left the pattern on it. I did think it looked neat to stretch the pattern out of it though, and as you can see, it was able to stretch really well. It was quite a beautiful coloring in my opinion. On this slime, I used the pink and light blue Sharpie markers with the brush tips again. I decided to draw some straight lines on it instead of a particular pattern because when you roll it, it makes this really beautiful looking lattice suspended in the slime, and these colors complemented each other very well. As I mixed it together more, the light blue started to fade into the pink and out came a very attractive purple color. And the slime looked almost like amethyst, which is a type of purple gemstone if you haven't heard of it before. I think it looks so gorgeous when you can see through the purple. I don't know why, I just really love stretching it out and twisting it into a slime bun. Like I said, using markers is one of my absolute favorite ways to color clear slime. It looks so incredible as you start to mix it together, and it's not very messy, and the colors turn out to be very vibrant. So let me know in the comments below which ones were your favorite and what colors you think I should use in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.